Welcome to Inner Chi Meditation. This is A.P. In today's session, we are going to focus on enhancing self-worth. It's designed to be inclusive for all listeners, regardless of spiritual or religious background. Before we begin, you know the drill. Let's find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably, somewhere where you will not be disturbed or interrupted. Also, please be advised going forward with all meditation sessions right here on Inner Chi Meditation, it is best to use headphones. It is also best to lay down on your back. Let's get ready now. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. With each breath, allow your body to soften and your mind to settle. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice the ground beneath you, or in this case, whatever you're laying down on, the support it offers. With every exhale, release tension from your jaw, your shoulders, your chest, your belly, your legs, and your feet. Let your body know it is safe here. You are safe here. Now, say silently or aloud the following words. I am here. I am worthy. I choose to return to myself now. Now, feel the vibration of these words echo softly through your body. Now, imagine a gentle light above your head. It's warm, golden, loving. This light is the essence of your true worth. It has always been with you. As it descends slowly into your crown, you begin to feel a deep remembrance, a knowing that you have always been enough. Let this light flow down into your heart. Feel it cradle the parts of you that have been hurt, overlooked, or forgotten. Allow this light to whisper, you are not broken. You are becoming. Focus on my voice. Stay focused. Come back into the present moment every time your mind begins to stray. Focus. Now, repeat these phrases mentally or speak them out loud if you feel called. I am worthy just as I am. My value is not determined by others. I honor the truth of who I am. I release comparison. I am growing. I am healing. I am enough. Pause and let these words sink in. Breathe into them. Now, gently call to mind the younger version of you, any age that comes naturally. See them standing in front of you. Look into their eyes and say with deep compassion the following words. You are worthy of love. You matter. I'm here for you. I will never abandon you. Let your younger self smile or rest in your arms. Let them feel seen, held, and valued. Take another slow, full breath. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this light of self-worth with you at all times. Not as something you earn, but as something you remember. You are enough. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this meditation supported you, feel free to return to it anytime you need a reminder of your worth. Until next time, stay grounded, stay open, and stay true to your inner chi. This is A.P.